right, so I'm here at day 11 post hair transplant with Dr. Alexander. I did take a couple days off just for the weekend. It's Monday on day 11 now. So just an update for day 8 and 9. There was no real changes. I was just told to keep on track. I was doing the showering from the neck down and just doing the hair rinse with the warm water mixed with shampoo and just gently pouring that over my head. But yeah, no changes really. The pain is literally none. I have no pain whatsoever. So that's been great. A little bit of itchiness. I had to catch myself a few times because now that there's no pain, I was kind of, wanting to itch, but I was catching myself, so that's good. But yeah, so day 10 was yesterday. I did receive a message saying that I could start exercising if I'd like, and I could just resume normal showers. So that was pretty exciting. I was excited to do a normal shower, which I did yesterday evening. The one thing that they did mention was for the scabs on the scalp in the shower, just using the pads of my fingers, just to kind of rub them, just to see if any of them would loosen and fall off. And I was kind of surprised to see how many did fall off. So yeah, you can see today it's day 11. And you can kind of see like my hairline, you're starting to see what it was before. Quite a few grafts fell out during the shower, which, I'm kind of upset about. I was enjoying this look. I know they'll grow back eventually. And then one thing that they mentioned for today, day 11, is that I could start using minoxidil or a hair laser cap if I have one. So I don't use the laser caps, but I did get the minoxidil. So I picked this up from the Hair Transplant Center. So this one's specially formulated. It's a 12.5% minoxidil, which is much higher potency than like over-the-counter like Rogaine that you would get. So you only need to use it once a day. Other like minoxidils usually have to do twice a day. So this is one time less, which is great. But yeah, as you can see again, like everything's kind of falling off. Looks like the scabs are like kind of gone. I did get like a lot in the shower yesterday coming off, and just like little tiny black dots that were like the scabs in the grafts. But yeah, looks like everything is on track. I'm excited for the progress, and I'll keep you posted for day 12.